Good day everyone, I am Wilfred M. Caras, your Mathematics 4 teacher for today. Before we start our class, let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. O God Almighty, behold us thy loving children, offering thee today our works and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, kind to our companions, diligent to our studies, that we may merit the blessings for ourselves, our school, and our beloved country, the Philippines. Amen. Ayan, at magsisimula tayo sa pagsusolve at pagbibilang. Good day learners! Welcome to Mathematics class. We are now in week 4, solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication of whole numbers. Ngayon mga bata, bakit kaya kailangan nating mag-ipon? At tungkol dyan ang ating word problem for today. Ruby receives from her mother the amount of 30 pesos as her daily allowance in school. She saves 5 pesos for future expenses. How much does she save in a month if there are 21 school days? So this is an example of a routine problem. Routine problems are problems that have solutions which can be immediately identified. Para maintindihan at masolve natin ang ating mga word problem, we can use these steps. Letter A, understand. Number 1, read and understand the problem. Ang ibig sabihin nun, kailangan nating basahin ng maigi at intindihin ang problem. Number 2, know what is asked in the problem. Kailangan nating malaman kung ano ang tinatanong sa problem, kung ano ang kailangan nating hanapin. Ruby's savings in a month if there are 21 school days. And number 3, find the necessary information. Ibig sabihin nun, kailangan nating hanapin ang mga mahalagang impormasyon. The given facts, 5 pesos daily savings, and 21 school days in a month. 30 pesos is not a necessary given fact because the focus is savings, not monthly allowance. So ang ibig sabihin nun, hindi mahalaga ang 30 pesos kasi yun hindi nakafocus doon ang ating problem. Okay, yun ang hinahanap natin ay ang savings niya in a month, hindi ang kanyang allowance. Letter B, plan. Number 1, determine the operation to be used. So ang gagamitin nating operation is multiplication. Number 2, write the number sentence. 21 times 5 pesos. Okay, we're going to find for the answer. That is letter C, solve. Solve using the operation. 21 times 5 is equal to 105. You can also use a calculator to check. Pwede natin i-check ang ating sagot using the calculator. And letter D, check and look back. See if your answer makes sense. State the complete answer. So the complete answer is Ruby saves 105 pesos in a month. Ganun lamang ang pagsosolve ng routine word problem. Paano naman kaya kapag ito ay non-routine word problem na? At tungkol dyan ang ating susunod na word problem. In a school canteen, 4 students can sit in a square table. How many students can sit in a 5 square tables placed end to end? You can solve by drawing a picture. So maaari nating masolve ang ating word problem gamit ang picture. Sa school daw, ang bawat 4 na estudyante ay nakaupo sa isang table. Meron daw tayong 5 table. Okay, ito ay table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, and table 5. Yan ang ating 5 table. Kapag gantong arrangement ang makikita natin, okay, ang makakaupo lamang ay ilan? 10 lamang ang 12 lamang ang makakaupo sa ating table kapag ganyan ang kanyang arrangement. So kailangan isipin natin mabuti ano kayang arrangement at dapat natin gawin na magkakadikit pa rin ang mga tables pero nakaupo ang apat na estudyante sa bawat table. Okay, so bakit kaya natin sinusolve ang mga word problem na ganito? In solving non-routine problems develops your reasoning power. You can use the following strategies in solving non-routine problems: listing, making a table, guess and check, drawing or diagram, and using patterns and etc. Okay, going back to our topic. So we can solve by drawing a picture. Okay, since ang drawing dito, ang mga kaupo lamang na estudyante ay 12. So, 1, 2, and 3 lamang ang mga kaupo. Kailangan daw sa isang table ang mga kaupo ay 4. So, paano kaya ang arrangement niya? Maaari nating isolve ang ating word problem gamit ang mga illustration. Okay, so we have table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, and then table 5. Okay, so gamit ang arrangement na ito, mas marami ang nakaupo na estudyante. Okay, at nasunod ang hinahanap. Bakit nasunod ang hinahanap? Kasi ang sabi niya doon, ang hinahanap niya, kailangan daw ang 4 na estudyante ay nakaupo sa isang table. Okay, so tingnan nga natin sa table 1. Sa table 1, ilan ang estudyante natin? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama. How about table 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 din. Tama. Number 3, table 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na estudyante din ang nakaupo. How about table 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. How about table 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so therefore, the best arrangement of the square tables is corner to corner wherein 4 students can still sit. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, ganyan ang arrangement ng table. Makakaupo pa rin ang 4 na estudyante, pero magkadikit-dikit pa rin ang mga tables. Ganyan ang pag-solve ng non-routine word problem. Activity 1. Solve the following problems. Show your solutions. Number 1. During weekends, Cedric and his friends collect plastic bottles and sell them to a junk shop. They collected 36 kilograms of plastic bottles. How much will they receive if each kilogram costs 12 pesos? Number 2. The electric posts are 25 meters apart. If there are 10 electric posts, what is the distance from the first electric post to the last electric post? Assessment 1. Solve the following problems. A group of workers can make 830 pieces of siomai an hour. How many pieces of siomai can they make in 36 hours? Number 2. T-shirts are sold on a buy one take one basis. If one shirt costs 120 pesos, how much will you pay for 10 t-shirts? Number 3. The 13 divisions of DepEd vehicle conducted a simultaneous earthquake drill. How many participants are there if each division has 920 participants each? Number 4. A square tile costs 45 pesos each. Find cost of tile, the word. Number 5. A raffle ticket costs 25 pesos. How much is the cost of 680 raffle tickets? Again, how do we solve routine and non-routine word problems involving multiplication of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate strategies and tools? To solve routine problems involving multiplication of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate strategies and tools, follow these steps. Understand. Know what is asked. Know the given facts. Plan. Determine the operation to be used. Write the number sentence. Solve. Use the operation to solve. Check and look back. Write the correct answer. Non-routine problems can be solved by drawing a picture, using a number line, making a table, and others. Now, let's do this activity. Letter A. Use Denise's canteen menu to answer the following questions. Mia's canteen menu. Spaghetti, worth 25 pesos. Pancit, 20 pesos. Banana Q, 15 pesos. Puto, 6 pesos. Egg sandwich, 24 pesos. Calamansi juice, 10 pesos. Buko juice, 12 pesos. Question number 1. How much will 2 orders of spaghetti cost? Number 2. How much will 8 orders of egg sandwich cost? Number 3. How much will Ruby pay for 4 orders of banana Q? Number 4. How much will the Mercado family pay for 4 pieces of puto, 4 orders of pancit, and 4 orders of calamansi juice? Letter B. Read and analyze, then solve. Number 5. The distance between each bulb of a Christmas light is 6 meters. What is the distance from the first bulb to the last bulb if there are 100 bulbs? Number 6. A sari-sari store sells 215 bottles of pineapple juice in a month. What is the total sales of the sari-sari store in a month if each bottle costs 15 pesos? Here's another set of activity. Read, analyze, then solve each problem. Number 1. Mangustin earns 1,355 pesos from his tricycle every week. How much will he earn in 10 weeks if the tricycle will be in good condition for the period given? Number 2. The Diaz family conserved electricity every day by turning off unused lights and appliances. Compared to their previous bill, they have saved 125 pesos. How much will they save if they will continue conserving for 12 months? 3. A box of corned beef containing 36 cans is sold with 3 cans free. Aling bilhin bought 3 boxes for her sari-sari store. How many cans of corned beef will she save? Number 4. A box of pencil costs 108 pesos. How much will you pay if you buy 12 boxes? Number 5. Connecting 4 dots makes a square. If you add 2 more dots and connect them, you can make 2 squares. Given the condition, how many dots compose 10 such squares? Number 6. A barbershop haircut service costs 50 pesos. If there were 113 haircut services in that day, how much did the barbershop earn? Number 7. Kiko sells sampaguita garlands during weekends. Each sampaguita garland costs 8 pesos. How much will he have if he sold 150 pieces? Number 8. Roses are planted 3 meters apart. If there are 25 roses, what is the distance from the first rose to the last rose? Number 9. Strawberries from Baguio are sold for 350 per kilo. How much will a tourist pay for 15 kilos? Number 10. A printer can print 20 copies in a minute. How many copies can it print in 3 hours? Honesty is the best policy. Bago natin tignan ang ating key answers, kailangan nasagutan muna natin ang mga activity natin.